Hi, hello my friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing great, fantastic in your life. So, my dear friends, after a long time, I came here. I came here on my YouTube channel because I was thinking like I should make one video for all of you. So that's why I got to that point and I'm making this video just for you. And the reason behind it, why I'm making this video, because in this video I'm going to talk about one application, English speaking application, and that application is really helpful for me. Yes, to be honest, I would say this application is really helpful, and it will be helpful for you as well. And I don't know are you familiar with that application or not, but yes, it might be helpful for you for your English communication. And the application name is Hello Talk, and that application has been suggested by my friend, and they are also YouTuber, and they are from Ayodhya, and they told me like you should download this application. This application will really helpful for your communication, for your fluency. And after that I downloaded that. So the application name is Hello Talk, and you can go on, you can go in Google Play Store and just search Hello Talk. And after downloading this application you can use, and there is a one option is like voice room. And in that option, if you click on voice room option, you can find other native speaker there, and they will be from Canada. Again, they can be from Canada, US, and yes, and you can directly connect with them in that application in voice room. So I think you should download this application, Hello Talk application. And I know that I am making some silly mistakes, because you know that I am beginner also. I am beginner on YouTube, I am beginner in my English language. So just forget it, and whatever I suggest, just download that application and you can use in your free time. And you can connect with your friend after sending friend request to them. You can connect with them. And at the last, I just want to say that to my friend, thank you thank you for your suggestion. You suggest me this application, and I will use on my daily basis in my free time. Thank you, and thank you all of you for watching my video till the end. I will meet you in next video. Until the end, bye, take care.